Yeah, I could see what MamaSue are going with in the kitchen here. MamaSue, what are going?
This is original MamaSue. Big up to all my new viewers and subscribers. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment and hit that little notification bell. So when I put up a new video, you can get notification.
Alright, who's this little girl here?
This is my sweet granddaughter. She is going to help me cook tonight.
What you guys gonna cook?
Tonight, I am going to cook some vanilla flour Johnny cake.
Alright.
With cinnamon. And some mackerel, what they call dirty gal a yard.
Oh Lord, tin boom.
Yes, tin boom.
Where are they?
AKA dirty gal and mackerel.
Okay. Coconut milk?
Yes.
That one I know, that one I knew MamaSue. That one I sound like.
With some bell pepper.
Nah, I'm gonna say run belly, but hey,
And some
go see her come out.
onion. And some
Tomato.
tomato.
Alright, so I could get the fire blazing now, MamaSue.
So we're going to get the fire blazing now.
Alright. Alright, MamaSue. Wash off here and start the thing here now. So I now light here, just come in off I work hungry like dog. And I call MamaSue and MamaSue say, yo, no partner and I say, boy, right now, anything or anything. When I make up fire in the night and cook, you know. I could have 1 o'clock tonight.
Yes, peeps.
Yeah, man. Would I cook? No joke. MamaSue fire blaze. People look like when I forgot book MamaSue if you come catch fire. For real.
Yeah, man. Quick and fast.
Quick
peeps.
and fast. So I'm going over here say you know. Hey, sometimes when MamaSue do her thing, you know, sometimes people just pull up a yard, you know. Say MamaSue, you know, you can't go cook no little bit of flour. Cause you never know. Yeah man, that don't look too bad. Don't look too bad. Fire ready for you now, MamaSue? Fire ready like Freddy.
Water, boiling water. Some water.
Okay. Fire ready. Get some water in a container here. Put some boiling water and put on back the cover there. Vanilla dumpling. Oh my god, this are go nice, mommy. I swear.
Peeps.
Vanilla.
My granddaughter said she want to
You
pour
want
it.
to try it tonight? Next time you create a little puddle in the middle, not puddle.
No,
Create
no,
a,
yes,
yeah, create a little hole in the middle
Yes.
so and throw it in it.
yes.
That's okay, you don't throw
That's
it.
okay already, that doesn't matter.
That's very nice. You learn from your
Yes,
granny.
and this is the
The best you can ever learn from your father, a big chef too, but you learn from your grandmother. And me learn from my mother, your grandmother, so are the best.
the peeps, just a pick. You don't really normally use salt. This is a pick.
You ever eat food that daddy cook yet? You ever eat food that I cooked before? Really? You have to think about that. Look how much time I cook in our house. Beat me. What's your favorite? Oxtail, curry goat, jerk chicken. Really?
Curry goat, jerk chicken with rice.
Alright.
Just need to put on that on the side.
Ooh. Alright, put them on fire. Put them on fire. Ready? Ready. Grandma, you know, dash to some salt. I remember help you out here, man. Cause right now,
Yes,
me
definitely.
raw, brother. Me raw, brother. Me raw, brother.
Just a little.
Alright, that's good there. That's good. Alright. Me raw, brother. Are me ready for send up to all them flour, you know. But you go shell out quick and fast in the MamaSue, cause fire blaze.
Blaze, man.
So you just add the vanilla in the flour, basically, and salt.
Yes, little.
Little, okay, little salt.
And little
The
vanilla.
vanilla, and I knead it up.
And little cinnamon.
Oh, little cinnamon.
Yes.
Wow. Can I smell it? That got nice. Me never see nobody do this yet, Susan. Big man thing, that one I know.
The pot cover.
The one I brand
Go
new.
put down the pan. The big size pot cover like.
The big size pot cover.
No, look here. There's
Of
a
it.
pot cover like this, big like this, right around like that. Can hold on the pot.
You look where all the pots there inside.
You see dumpling?
Yeah man, you're right yesterday. You should be able to see the camera right this up. Yeah man, right this up. Peeps. See dumpling now mama so I drop in the pot. Yeah. Well, you know what I'll start with it. And then I knife you know, really too.
No, don't come here.
Start to siphon now. You have to just cook it down in the mackerel. You have to just cook down in the mackerel. Bell pepper. Oh, Maya, you know the Scotch bonnet pepper that are the hot pepper we use? You need one. Oh. You know what? Can go pick one off a tree. I got thing there. Cause peeps, you want to go on now. We think so authentic and organic. Yeah?
Close your eyes.
Yeah man, now I'm going to show you that pattern. Let's go and leave it on. Let's go and leave it on. Go and leave it on. Come and wash and make it, grandma. Wash and my favorite this time.
Just take your time, man.
Don't show it in.
Watch.
Yes, when I dark, they say, really correct for me, man. When I walk around over this. Hey, trust me, huh? Mama so thing no lily, you know. Hey, fishing wing. Cut up it white to me for the tomorrow.
Yes.
I have the shirt.
Yeah.
You want to cut up one of my? And then I go feed it.
Some big front bullet in a peeps.
But you want to be a floating bullet?
Yes. Floating bullet. Call it in Jamaica, floating bullet. Big dumpling peeps. When I wanna do this, your belly full.
Alright, let me grab the camera here again. Mad, alright. Take your camera off your tripod, yeah. Yeah. We see floating bullet them. A Johnny cake them mamas.
Or sometimes people just want to
Fire under the wire. No joke. I think a joke are going right here.
Then how then you this the first gas store?
We not laugh with the fire here. Nah, laugh with the fire. So what's on there? A real fire. Yo, a tree that did need to cut down, you know, because I tell you, it dry, a tree that dry up for a reason and did to cut down, you know. I swear, I tell you. Because how long you tell me say you want to shut off your channel.
Exactly.
You understand? And the tree,
The
tree dry up. It's like long you say, yo, if you do the channel, sort out the channel for you. And
open.
okay.
You cannot open it.
No, don't put that in front of it, just hold it. Yeah. Earlier, I give you a problem. No one. Okay. Manpower. Smoke your turn up, MamaSue.
Just throw a little in there.
What may I put in there?
Just throw a little in there.
For what? For what? Make people know what. I'm not even sure. Where I put where I for?
Well, whenever I'm cooking, you know, I always stick right. So the dumpling them don't stick in the pot bottom.
Why if the bottom stick?
More things.
MamaSue, granddaughter today I do her thing. Alright, so you want to go on peeps. I go for one pepper. Off a tree there. And show you what I go on. Right off of MamaSue thing there. MamaSue tree. So peeps, right now I walk around the MamaSue farm. MamaSue farm. Take pride in our farm, I tell you. Whole heap of pride. I tell you them I sit in water every morning. Trust me. And I tell you, say, I know my cost about a water bill because you want to go on, you know. We are reap from this, you know. Because see it there. Yeah, man. We are reap from this. See cabbage a bust up there. So you know, steam cabbage soon cook up and all them something there. Yeah, man. Whole heap of liquor something there, so. And remember to check out the aloe vera video, aloe vera and Cersei, good detox. So remember to check out that video there. So just go up on the channel and check out the aloe vera and Cersei video. Good detox will clean out your system. Zin, so right now, see there, tell us I know no joke thing, pepper. See there? Pepper right off of MamaSue tree. One next pepper, I'm try to get one next pepper. I don't know if any other fit pepper they bought. Oh, so one next fit pepper right yesterday. Okay. Hold on. Oh, so one next fit pepper there. Alright, so two pepper this one. So aloe vera drop. Fix up. Set up back aloe vera. What lizard I do here? Lizard! So, just pick two nice pepper off a tree. Now we are going to go back out and go ting there. Misty, what are going on? Misty, but you're not going to get no, but wait.
Some of this.
Misty, you go fry dumpling. What? Dumpling and sit. Let me try it. This is fried dumpling and fried dumpling or sardine?
It's sardine in the middle.
Pure cooking. Really good. Now,
pepper them well hot, you know, original, organic.
Just pick you off a tree, make them see a while ago.
Yeah, man.
See, like if
Organic
you cut
pepper.
like, wash off a yellow one and put in it. Remember, I'm mackerel, you know.
Oh, what? One cry. Jesus. Whoa. These seeds have to go back to my garden.
Hold on, let me see them here. Okay, so if you plant them, if you just throw them back, you have to dry them and then plant them.
No, you don't have to. You don't have to dry them.
Alright, just put them on the table then.
Yeah. Peeps, season pretty
Good.
man, I like colored.
So I go and pot here. Pot a bubble. Yes.
You see, when them float peeps, they almost cook. You see them start to float?
Ready? Cook
Yes.
already?
Yeah man, they start float man. Give them less than 10 minutes and then done.
Oh, you say MamaSue pot ready?
Yes man.
Alright,
Pot
do your thing
ready.
now. Alright, so you go take off your pot now and fry up. Fry up your thing. Salting. Country people that say, boy, me have 2 flour, I go eat with some salting. 2 flour, I go eat with some salting there. Let me bring the pot in there. Like, oh, Lord, pot hot. Hot pot. Hot pot. You show the people them want to go on. People see it there. Them here Johnny cake, dumpling, flour. Well, you should have engraved MamaSue in it. Engrave MamaSue in the thing, you understand? Oh, yeah, put. Okay. Alright, so we are going to start out the salting now. MamaSue style, you know. Mackerel. Original, see it there? Original grace mackerel. See it there? Much of them. Why? See it there? Grace mackerel. 3 of them. Tin boom. Whole heap of name this are sitting there. What this? Coconut milk. Yeah. Coca. What? Nazca. Yo, yo, no worry yourself still in due time. The MamaSue coconut milk, the MamaSue mackerel, the MamaSue whole heap of it. Don't worry yourself, man. Chubby. Coconut milk gone in a pot. Chubby. Chubby. Set up the tripod, peeps, so no can see what I go on. I just set up the tripod over a pot, so you can go and watch and see what MamaSue had in a pot. See what I say? Trouble. Alright, peeps, so tripod set up directly on the pot. Hot pot. Hot pot, hot pot. Touch it if you're bad. I'm going to make the tripod go and do its job while MamaSue go and do her thing. And I'm going to see what I go on.
This garlic peeps. Just between the season, them and go on. Yum, yum.
Come on, do your thing, man.
That cushion makes me know, I just put in.
Alright peeps, so the pot go on boil up and you see me I say so. I go just cut the video until MamaSue go put in the next ingredients or whatever. You soon put in the next whatever you go put in?
Yes, we soon put in the seasoning there. No, I told my video
What you say? Yeah peeps. Looking good, looking real good, looking real good, real good, real good. MamaSue, big up yourself. People, remember, like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell. So when MamaSue shut up the pot them, you don't know to get notified. Yeah man, share the thing man, and remember you know.
Remember if you don't want
this channel is not just cook for eat. This channel can learn from this channel too. You see me I say? So share the learnings. And share MamaSue thing, cause see there. The mackerel I'm gonna go in the pot you now. So a tin mackerel. Tin mackerel. Hold on mas. Tin mackerel in a coconut milk with some MamaSue specials. Some MamaSue cartwheel specials. You see me I say? The thing I got nice. So you see the intestine, the bone and the little straight bone in the mackerel there. Me can't eat that, you know. Me I tell you say that to don't spoil my whole appetite. So me glad say MamaSue not like that either. Cause right now she pick out the whole of that. She pick out the whole of that. So
you don't have to pick it out, you know.
You don't have to pick it out, you know. But
like
trust me, we don't like it tonight. So MamaSue pick it out. So I support her 100% on this. Pick it out, MamaSue. Right there, sir.
Yeah, this is optional. You don't have to, and then no wash it off. Yeah. You have to wash it off. Use no one season night. I like this. Throw tomato.
You know what?
Don't have to wash off this.
You know, put the sauce in the pot too.
Don't put in there? You want to put in there?
Yeah, man. I want to say MamaSue.
Okay.
I'll put sauce in nice, man.
Alright. Okay. Okay. Done. Next good time. Oh. Okay.
Hold on, MamaSue. Yeah, man, do your thing. Looking real good. Wow. Wow. Looking real good.
It's a black pepper. It's still not in enough pepper.
Stir it up you know.
Little more garlic.
Looking real good, MamaSue. I not lie to you. Right now, my man to put on this phone, this camera and sort out. And 3-4 of them dumpling there. Alright, peeps. So the ship duck. Ship duck, you know. I go fit in it. MamaSue special, eh? See it here? Old Johnny cake dumpling flour. Yeah, man. And then you have the mackerel in a coconut milk. You want to stir, mama?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Alright.
How much of it? Just take
Yeah, man. Soon you have time. I go for 2 plates. I
Yeah.
never count the plate. No. Yeah, you want plate? Yeah. I go for 2 plates.
Looks so nice.
Yeah, peeps. So, ship there dry duck, you know. And I go clot one trio tight. Dumpling look pretty small. Big dumpling.
Yes.
The big dumpling you want. Let me this the MamaSue. I do it taste test. I do it taste test.
Yes, I ran that apple.
Yeah, man, I think that's supposed to be forward.
Okay.
People see it here. MamaSue special dumpling in a, what is, mackerel in a coconut milk. You understand, with some nice bell pepper and onion and scotch bonnet pepper and all them something there. So I'm going to taste the thing and see what I go on now. Oh. Huh? People, I tell you, God Almighty truth. Thing turn up. Thing up. I tell you the truth.
Peeps, I can't manage them one too.
Thing up.
But I got taste now.
See what I go on. Support the movement. MamaSue thing. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So you see, every time MamaSue deal with this, y'all get notified. You see me I say? Yeah, man.
Very good.
Go for the broadest plate and biggest pot.
Delicious, peeps.
Majority of the time I mean the behind the camera and I do the flaming, so I only work that. So I mean if you do it taste test.
Yes, peeps.
Nice. Dumpling them well cooked. Dumpling them well cooked.
Oh my gosh.
And salt. The right amount of spice. Nice. This is the mix.
Oh my gosh, man. Peeps, you have to try this. You have to try it, peeps. Have to try it. Oh.
Body fan. Body. Baddest of the baddest. Terrible. MamaSue thing the loud. 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 Ghana road. You want to go on? I hate these people. Then do the right thing. And you know what is the right thing.
What is it?
Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Then, because the video is not just cook and yam. The video is about learning. The video is about we as a family just unite and just cook and eat and just do what we love, do what we like. You see me I say? So share the video. This is really good. MamaSue special dumpling with mackerel in a coconut milk with some vegetables. Nice vegetable, bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, onion and all them, tomato and them something there. Let me now tell you again. So before I end the video, do the right thing. So you know the right thing. Subscribe.
Yeah.
MamaSue. MamaSue, talk to them.
Say peeps. Please like, share, subscribe and comment and hit that little notification bell. So when I put up more video, you can get notified.